In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make highlights on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app on our phone. After that, swipe to the right from the Instagram homepage to access the camera. Then tap right here at this gallery icon in the bottom left corner. That will open up your gallery, and then just scroll through your photos and select the image or video you want to add to your story. I'm gonna choose that one. Make sure the content you selected is something you want to keep on your profile for a long time. After selecting the photo or video, tap at the arrow icon in the bottom right. Then hit right here at share to post it as a story. Keep in mind that your story will stay visible for 24 hours unless you add it to your highlights. Once your story is posted, tap right here at add to highlights. Then enter a name for your highlight, something like travel, food, maybe memories or something like that. I'm just gonna enter test here, and then tap at add, and then done. Your story is now saved as a highlight and will stay on your profile. Now we can verify that our highlight is actually posted. To do that, we can go to our profile. After that, below your bio, you will see that highlight section, and that's where we can easily see our highlight that we've just created. And now we can tap at our new highlight to make sure it is saved. You can add more stories to this highlight anytime by repeating the same steps. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to create Instagram highlights and keep your best moments visible forever. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and see you in the next one.